If Nigerian youth focus on SEO, it can reduce unemployment, create digital entrepreneurs, and generate foreign income. Good day and welcome once again to the Saturday Business Series, where we explore practical opportunities that can help individuals, especially Nigerian youths, build sustainable income. My name is Chris Akpa, and today we are focusing on just one powerful skill: search engine optimization, SEO. Now, why should we even care about SEO? Because today people search before they buy, and businesses are constantly competing to be seen online. Whoever helps businesses become visible controls a major part of how money is made online. That is where SEO comes in. So what exactly is search engine optimization? Search engine optimization simply means helping businesses appear on Google when people search for products or services. For example, when someone searches best hotel in Abuja or cheap flights Lagos, SEO is what determines which business appears first. Now let's break down the opportunity in Nigeria. We have over 120 million internet users, and more than 70% of buyers search online before making decisions. Yet, millions of businesses are still not properly visible online. So what does this mean? There is a massive gap in the market. Nigeria has over 40 million small and medium-sized businesses. And if just 10% of them need SEO, that's about 4 million potential clients. So how many youths can benefit from this? Realistically, millions. Even if 100,000 youths learn SEO today, there is still more than enough demand. This space is not crowded yet in Nigeria. Let's talk about income realistically. As a beginner, you could earn between 80,000 to 150,000 monthly. At mid-level, about 150 to 350,000, and as an expert, 400,000 to over 2 million monthly. Freelancers can also charge 100,000 to 300 per client each month. With just 3 to 5 clients, you are already earning well above average income. Why is SEO such a gold mine? Number one, it requires low capital. Just a laptop and internet, you are good to go. Number two, it gives you global opportunities. You can work for clients abroad. There is a high demand. Businesses need visibility. It offers recurring income through monthly retainers, and it is scalable. You can grow into an agency. But here is a reality you must understand. SEO is not just a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes about 1 to 3 months to learn the basics, and 3 months to 6 months to see results in real projects. But once you understand it, you can become consistent. If Nigerian youth focus on SEO, it can reduce unemployment, create digital entrepreneurs, and generate foreign income. My final words: SEO is not just a skill, it is a digital asset. People search before they buy. Businesses need to be found, and whoever controls visibility controls income. Thank you for joining today's Saturday Business Series. My name is Chris Akpa. Next week we'll go deeper.